So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to get cinematic and legendary prompts for free. You can get free AI cinematic prompts using websites that already collect and generate them, and today I am going to show you the best website for that. Firstly, on your browser, head to grokfilm.app. Now you can search categories like cinematic shots, lightning styles, camera movements, storytelling prompts, etc. You can find anything about movements and camera here for your videos. So pick any prompt you like, then copy it directly. Now, you need to pass it into the AI generator. Use it for tools like image generations, video generators, and AI editors. These prompts are already structured for cinematic results, so if you're trying to create a video, this is the best website for you. You might find prompts like slow drone shot over a neon city at night, cinematic lightning, rain reflection, etc. These are designed to give movie-like results instantly. Why these sites are useful like Grokfilm? It's no prompt writing skills needed websites. It saves you a lot of time and it gives you professional film directors style outputs without any hassle. So it works for images and videos. Best results come when you choose detailed prompts, include camera and lightning words, and adjust slightly before generating. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video for more. And I will see you on the next video.